His truck died. Mile 487,000, middle of nowhere, Nevada. The repair bill said $47,000. His account had 12. He bought the wrong truck. You were about to buy yours. 5 trucks tested. Real miles, real money. One survives everything. Nobody paid for this ranking. That is exactly why it matters. 1 million miles of maintenance records. This is what matters. Every breakdown happens here, where real reliability gets its price. $23,000 difference per year. Choose the wrong truck. 1,800,000 miles. Engine never once opened. 5 trucks, 1 million miles. Only one is still running. Ask any owner-operator. They all have a strong opinion. Number 5 surprises almost everyone who sees this ranking. The Mack Anthem, built tough, but is tough enough here. The Bulldog has been on American highways since 1900. Aerodynamic, capable, regional haul is where this truck truly lives.
The MP8 engine, 13 liters, 505 horsepower, 71 out of 100. Solid score, not a legend. Inside the Anthem, clean, functional, gets the job done daily. The M-Drive transmission. Owner-operators either love it or hate it. Strong to 900,000 miles. After that, get ready. On the road, it performs. The question is, for how long? Number 5, best for regional. Weakness shows after 800,000. Number 4, European engineering on American highways. Does it belong? The Iron Mark, precision built, every component engineered to last. The VNL 860, the most aerodynamic truck on American roads. Volvo D13TC, turbo compound technology, 8.2 miles per gallon, 74 out of 100. Better than Mack, not enough. 76 inches of sleeper cab, I-shift transmission, smooth, precise, the best automatic in the industry. 8.2 miles per gallon. No other truck touches this. Beautiful on the highway, expensive at the parts counter, always. Number 4, fuel champion. Parts costs will hurt your wallet. Number 3, America's best-selling truck for 13 consecutive years. Freightliner Cascadia, the truck that moves more freight than anyone. Fully integrated aerodynamics, built for efficiency from bumper to trailer. Detroit DD15, 15 liters, 505 horsepower, proven reliable. 78 out of 100, 800 service locations nationwide. Virtual technician predicts problems before they strand you somewhere remote. Your truck tells you what is wrong before you stop moving. 800 locations, 2 a.m. in Montana, someone will answer. The smart choice, not the exciting choice. Smart wins long term. Number 3, best dealer network. Interior quality left behind somewhere. Number 2, some truckers will argue this should be number 1. The W900L. 75 years of American trucking in one truck. The longest hood on any production truck in the world today.
Cummins X15, 600 horsepower, the most trusted engine ever built. 86 out of 100. Owner-operators who own one never leave. Simple, analog, logical. Everything within reach, nothing you do not need. Stand beside the engine and reach every component from the ground.
Documented cases of W900 reaching 2 million miles, more than one. 1,200,000 miles, engine never rebuilt. On the highway, the W900L does not drive, it commands. One truck, one highway, 1 million miles still ahead of it. Number 2. The legend is real, the fuel costs are too. 4 trucks ranked, 1 left. 89% gave the same answer. 4 badges, 4 legacies, only 1 earned number 1 position. Number 1. The data is clear, the miles prove everything. The silhouette tells you everything before you even see the badge. The Peterbilt 389, number 1 most reliable truck in America. This badge has meant reliability since 1939, still does today.
Long hood, dual stacks, chrome wheels. From the front, the 389 does not ask for respect, it commands it. Cummins X15, 600 horsepower, the same engine as number 2. 91 out of 100, lowest cost per mile, highest resale. Analog gauges, chrome bezels, a cab built by people who drive. 1,247,000 miles, 38% still running at 1.5 million miles. Nothing compares. Over 1 million miles, Peterbilt saves you $23,000. Long hood pointing forward. This truck was born for the highway. One truck, one highway, infinite miles still ahead. 1.4 million miles, oil changes, tires, filters, that is all. When this one hits 2 million miles, I will rebuild it. Number 1, earned by the data, proven by the miles. 5 trucks, 5 scores, 1 clear winner. Now you know why. Peterbilt versus Kenworth, the closest competition in American trucking history. $14,400 per year. That is the fuel difference. Under 500,000 miles, Cascadia. Over 1 million, Peterbilt. 5 trucks, side by side. The lineup that ends all arguments. $800 billion of freight. Every mile needs the right truck. Every Peterbilt 389 starts here. The best truck is the one you actually maintain. Remember that. 5 steps before you buy any semi-truck. Write these down now. Reliability is not about the badge, it is about the miles. One highway, the ranking proven by every mile driven. Mack, Volvo, Freightliner, Kenworth, Peterbilt. Chrome wheels spinning, chrome stack rising, the 389 in its element, into the sunset, where every Peterbilt 389 eventually earns its reputation. 5 trucks, 5 scores, based on real owner-operator data. The truck that has never let America down. Engine off, miles banked. 1 million miles is 40 trips across America. Before the driver arrives, the Peterbilt 389 is already ready. The machine waits. 500 more miles today. Every week on this channel, real trucks, real numbers, real truth. One truck, one highway. The scale of American trucking made visible. The road does not care, but your bank account absolutely does.